Greetings. My name is Rev Nicqi Ashwood from the United Church in Jamaica and the Cayman Islands. And welcome back to this channel where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. Today, I'll be reading for you one of my favorite passages in Acts 16. For more information about me, you're welcome to check in the description box below. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And most of all, join us at 5 a.m. Jamaica time every day for your personal reading from the JNT. Thanks for joining us.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament.
Today, I'm going to read from Acts 16, verse 6 through to verse 15. Paul visioned one man from Macedonia. The Holy Spirit wouldn't allow them to preach the good news in Asia. So they moved through Phrygia and Galatia. When them reach Mysia, then try to go in Bithynia, but the Holy Spirit never allowed them. So them pass through Mysia and go down at Troas. In the night there, Paul get one vision from God. He see one man from Macedonia turn up and I beg him hard, say, come over Macedonia, come help we. After Paul get the vision, we make up with mind, say God the one way we go preach the good news to them. So we try same time to go to Macedonia. Lydia gets saved. Then we take one boat from Troas and follow one straight line go to Samothrace. The next day, we sail go to Neapolis. From Deso, we sail go to Philippi. Philippi did one big important city in the area of Macedonia. They did one Roman parish. On the Sabbath day, we go through the city gate, go to the riverside. We go there, because we did a hope to find one place where the people they might gather up to pray to God. So we gather up there. It did have one woman amongst them from Thyatira named Lydia, where used to sell some dear purple cloth. She did love God so much that she always had to do sitting them one show where she know God want her to do. The Lord touch her heart, make she understand and believe what Paul did say. After she and the people were living in her house get baptized, she begged if we come her yard. She say, if you not take me for one of the Lord people will really believe in him, come turn on me yard. She win way over, so we go with her. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.